Robin Rana. It is still a very active scene here. Investigators are out trying to determine what exactly started this fire. We do know there were 2 or 3 people who were working in this garage. It's not clear what they were working on when the fire started. There were some minor injuries reported. Now, most of this garage collapsed on its own. Firefighters did also pull down some of the sides of this garage as they're continuing to monitor hot spots. There is still some smoke coming out, but the fire is out at this point. Now, there is also extensive damage to the side of the home. The firefighter we spoke with said in terms of damage inside the home, it seems to be okay, but you can see the heat and the flames from this fire did burn off portions of the side of this home. Still a lot of firefighters out here, and it's expected they'll be out here for a while as they continue to monitor this home. And also a firefighter said these homes are very close together, so that is always one of their biggest priorities when they show up, making sure that this fire is contained and does not spread to other homes in this neighborhood. Reporting in Colorado Springs, Emily Allen, KRDO News Channel 13.